Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. Christopher Mchangwa's press conferences are not political communication. They are intellectual wastelands, a torrent of noise without thought, motion without direction. What is presented as leadership is merely factional gossip delivered with the confidence of power long divorced from ideas. Sarapina Mashoko. Atiri kuona kuti Karina Mjati ari kuyachata kaChristopher Muchangwa pamusoro pemapresas aari kuita. Panguva ino mapress conference ari kuuya achimadzikisira achiti aiwa izvi hazvisi muri professional. Panguva ino angwa mapresas anongoya achingonyomba vanhu nongotukirira vanhu kuti vosubscribe like on the bell icon achienderambira anobuda nyora chiti there is no ideology, no policy, no vision, only the still incense of ritual praise burned endlessly before the altar of the president. Substance is replaced by loyalty performances and national questions, or suffocated under the weight of partisan inciting. The nation is absent. The party consumes itself in public. The briefings are immature and inward-facing, trapped in small battles that matter only to those feeding at the trough. They review a politics terrified of ideas, allergic to the future, and incapable of imagining Zimbabwe beyond power preservation. Thought is dangerous, so it is avoided. What remains is a hollow theater, men mistaking proximity to power for intellect, repetition for authority, and survival for leadership. No horizon is offered, no tomorrow is imagined, only the desperate maintenance of yesterday paraded as conquest, while the country is left to decay. Therefore, and we say no to 2030. Viva Nyagadzino, the people's president. Mchangwa just an empty head. Big gob Tom Fulari. What a doers. Domashukwana muda nyoko pankwa inoi aiwa na Karina Mjati achiataka Christopher Muchangwa. Pinda comment section medu msomafunguro enyi matulipa msana machoka ake. Pinda comment section medu msana subscribe wa like chitomba bell icon.